This video is to the one who wants to go viral. What is the truth about going viral? Let's explore that together. Big disclaimer, don't believe me, don't believe anyone. All that matters is the truth to me. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Jordan, 23 years old, did over $4 million in revenue, hired over 50 people, and I started making videos on YouTube since 2012, only to find out that those things don't matter. So what I care about now is the truth. So what is the truth about going viral or wanting to go viral? Why do you want it? Why do people want to go viral? It's mostly money, right? There's probably a small percentage of creators who want the fame more so, probably because they already have enough money. And perhaps they want the fame because that brings status and they do not yet have enough status. They want more of that. But it seems like there is always an ulterior motive. So you do not want to go viral, which let's say we define that as just a lot of views right now on your whatever it is, video or written piece, post, whatever it is. So you do not want all the views because of the views. You want it because of something else. So let's not live in this illusion you want to go viral. Let's find out for yourself what you want. Because isn't it clarity that much important to us? And that clarity is much more effective. That knowing that you actually want money instead of views. That now that clarity will help you more effectively get what you want. Or if it's fame, that you can now actually, with that clarity that you want to become famous, start to look for ways how to be more famous. So let's look at the money aspect. You want to go viral because you assume it will make you more money. Is that true? Well, if you have gone viral, it's much easier to look at your own results. How much money did you make of it? I don't know. Maybe you made a lot of money from it. So if that's true and it gave you what you wanted, then keep doing it, right? But if it wasn't, or if you've never gone viral and you just chase this viral video or post, which very honestly, I think I wanted. For instance, I got a video who got over 1 million views on YouTube, long form video, only to find out that that didn't give me what I wanted. I mean, I made some money of it, but it was by far not close to the imagination I had. And that imagination is probably very alive within you right now, I assume. Otherwise, I don't think you've clicked on this video. The imagination that perhaps a viral video is the most important thing you should accomplish first. Then everything will be alright, or then you will figure it out. But could it be that you're wasting your time? That you're living in an illusion that you haven't seen yet, and maybe never really will, even after getting that viral video or more viral videos. If it is money you want, then why aren't you asking the question, what is the most effective way for me to get more money? Have you ever asked this? Maybe in different ways, but perhaps asking this question more often. I'm not saying you should do this. Now ask yourself this every day. You could, don't see it as a rule, for they don't work. It creates another illusion that now asking this question every day will give you what you want. But don't you think that asking this question, and not just asking it, but you get what I mean, will get you closer to what you want? And I can go deep here. I mean, the truth is often very deep. Talk more about it in this video, but in this case, do you know why you want money? Is it really what you want? Or are you perhaps looking for the feeling that it gives you, or the things you can buy from it? That you're not actually wanting the money, but maybe the house or the car, and therefore maybe the status, or maybe the positive feeling from the imagination within your mind that your parents will be proud of you. That you see them, hear them, dream even about them, saying, "We are proud of you, my son, my daughter." I mean, you see all these images, you see all these motivational videos on Instagram, wherever. So you believe them, they are true. And they are, because you've probably felt good after achieving certain things in your life, right? And getting maybe compliments, maybe attention, maybe more status, maybe more power. And I'm not saying these things are bad. What is really the truth? Will you keep living your life chasing these positive feelings that are very temporary, that are very short-lived, and that there's basically a lot of pain and struggle that is promoted as good on social media, in between getting that very short-lived moment of proud, of happy, of accomplished? Because that is the truth to most people. That's how they live their lives. So my question to you, is that acceptable? Now that you hear this truth, and don't believe me, just look at it yourself. And again, the best way to do that is to look at your own life. So what is the alternative? Your mind may ask. If that isn't it, if even the moment you can go to Mars, when Elon Musk has accomplished that, even if that is very short-lived, that moment where you feel good, even if the paying for your parents' house or holding your newborn child, even if that is a moment of pure happiness in a long life of struggle, does it have to be that way? Or can you live every moment, every day without struggle, without illusions, without stress, without pressure? It is possible, and it may be the only thing that is important. But I'm not trying to convince you. The serious person cannot accept, continue living in illusions. So that person will naturally Not because he wants to, but not because of choice. He will naturally, or she will naturally, find their way out after hearing it. Maybe this is the first time. Probably because, I mean, do you know someone who isn't living this way? And if you aren't, then that isn't bad. Then you're probably not watching anymore. So to you, I'm not talking. And that's it. That's the truth. That the truth about going viral is not because you want to go viral, but for an ulterior motive. That you can find out what it really is that you want. And then may ask yourself, well, is it really that I want? Or is even that wanted because of ulterior motives? So that you may find all the illusions of this big onion of lies and may find the hidden core so that you can effectively get there as soon as possible. Perhaps that is the truth about going viral. Talk soon. And here's my poem about the essence of this video. In English, we say, I want to go viral. In poetry, we say, chasing views 1,000,000 strong, thinking it is where we belong. But deep inside, have you understood that perhaps what you really want is feeling good? Beyond the likes and shares we crave, that there's something more we want to save? Our truth, our core, our deepest why, hidden beneath this viral lie. Short-lived joys we seek, struggling week by week. But what if life could be satisfying all the time, truly feeling free? The truth you seek is yours to find, but only if you're willing to leave illusions behind.